Oops.
This the iron, the zombies they drop iron, so like maybe make an iron gun. Yeah, we're gonna need this for every. Make another thing. Okay, so what do we do next?
After the dispensers, you already put all the water?
Yeah.
Okay, oh yeah, put a repeater at the end.
What?
On the last piston to the far left, put a repeater there, I think.
Far left? Far right. But
Far left. It doesn't really
far.
matter. I don't know. Wait. Let me just get up to the surface, okay? Or I'll just screenshot it. Oh, whatever. Whatever. I'm just gonna get to the surface.
Stone. Okay. Yeah. Don't have it.
Aiden, make yourself a set of armor.
Well, that's even more. Nope.
Okay, then. I literally can't find the exit.
I don't. It's three. Don't.
Huh? Oh my, you guys are so annoying.
Okay.
I thought we had an iron farm.
Huh?
Did he fix the iron farm?
No, we need more villagers. We just need 3 villagers, and one of the and like this, the zombie despawn too with the freaking name tag.
Bruh. How are we supposed to get a name tag now? Where are you?
I do.
How do you make a repeater? Or I forgot what it was called. What is it? What are those things called? I think
Send me
it's a repeater.
the fucking. Send me it. Send me an
Okay.
image. Stupid hole. Oh my god. Stop. I missed something.
I thought I sent you the video.
You didn't. Learn how to do it.
Oh, it was too long.
Much.
Yeah, I sent it to you.
Okay.
Is that a repeater?
It's a computer. What do you think?
Where's your phone?
It's in my room. I just don't want to pick it up. Don't feel like it. Where did the sticks go, bro? Where'd you take my sticks? I want my sticks.
I gave you all the sticks, bruh.
What happened to all the sticks? I like had them.
Okay, fine. I'll get more.
How much iron do you have, Scoot Hole?
I put them inside of the furnace.
Oh, gosh. Damn, you got what? How you get so much? What the heck?
What do you mean?
That was like 2 seconds.
That was a lot of iron.
Yeah. Where did you get the whole
What do you mean? We literally have so many fucking caves right in front of our house.
Sticks, stupid hole.
That's what I'm doing.
It's not black. How do you? Where the fuck do you get that? It's in another thing. What biome is it again?
How many sticks do you need?
Oh, I need. I need a few. I need. Actually, no.
Oops, I just made a button.
I'm cutting down the.
I have 22 sticks.
Okay, cool.
What do you need it for?
I'm gonna repeat it for you.
Okay, where are you? I have them.
Being mauled by fucking stupid ass zombies.
1 sec, I need to go to the bathroom, okay?
Cool. It's like Among Us. Why'd I get blind? What? It's not Among Us. It's not even Among Us at all. What the heck?
Hello, I'm back.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Did you
What did
die?
you
Oh,
No.
never mind. Nothing. Okay, where are you?
Up here. Where'd I put it again?
Huh?
Where'd I put it again? I forgot, dude.
Wait,
Help me.
where? I'm coming. Put it right here. Wait, let me
Sure.
check.
Yeah, no, it isn't. It's a little bitchy.
Okay.
The fire
Just place it.
is
Just place it. Just place it. Okay. Give me more redstone. Do you have more?
I'm gonna get food,
Yeah, and then you
bro.
just put blocks on top of here, on top of the dispensers, too high. And then what do you want to build it out of?
Blackstone. We want to build it that way.
That's gonna be a lot of blackstone.
Yep. What if we mine all the freaking like thingies? Yeah.
Huh?
What if we mine all the thingies? What's it called?
What?
Thingy. The thingy.
What
The ding
thingy?
dong. Shashunga. What's it called? The thingy. You don't where like the piggies live. The piggies. Where the piggies live.
What?
The piggies. You know the piggies.
What piggies?
They live. The piglets. You know where they live.
Huh?
Do you not know where the piglets? You know where the piglets are? Where they spawn in that big black thing.
Oh yeah. What's it called? It's like a black. It's like a. What is it called? I actually forgot what it was called.
Black portrait. Oh fucking no, dude.
A bastion.
That's oh my
Lol. Anna, make yourself armor, bro, before you go
god.
there.
Shut them up. Oh my god.
And here, I got you a set.
Stop! Don't make me one. I don't want fucking waste iron.
Where are you? I
Nah,
already
yeah,
made you a set.
I'm
So
not.
come here. Where are you? Take this. Take this. Take this.
I need food. I have no food.
Okay, take that too.
Why do you make me food?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Adam. Frick you.
Oh, I have a chest plate here. Don't let this zombie have it. Let's go. Let's go to a bastion. I gave you food. I gave you a stack of. I gave you a stack of beef.
Yeah, it just appeared out of my inventory. No, don't do it.
Bro, STFU.
I'm gonna get a pickaxe. You're a little bitch.
The stupid drown is in our house.
How the fuck did he get here? What the fuck?
Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's go. Oh.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wait,
Where are you?
I'm getting a pickaxe, idiot. I'm getting like 12 pickaxes, okay?
I have a mending pickaxe.
I don't have a mending pickaxe, idiot!
Too bad. Where's the bastion? Okay.
It's right in front of you!
Let's destroy this whole entire bastion.
Gold.
So you want to make it out of blackstone?
Yeah.
Wait, this is
right?
polished blackstone. Is that fine?
Yeah, so what? I don't care. I don't fucking care.
Okay.
Bitch asshole.
This place is so big, bro.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we killed these bitches. It doesn't matter, because, like, I don't think there's any fucking dire, you know?
Yeah. When Tristan gets on to the server, he's gonna be like, wow. You know? I don't think we need that many. Let me check.
Yes, we should make multiple layers.
Huh?
You make multiple layers, yeah. We're gonna need a lot of dispensers, probably.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah. We have a spider thingy in it, and also, you know, what else?
Among Us.
Yeah, Among Us.
Among Us. That's a lot of damage. This is kind of boring. Let's go.
Look how short
Let's
it is now.
go.
What the heck? Dude, it's even shorter than you. Jesus Christ.
Wow, thanks.
Yeah, oh my god, so short.
I really appreciate it.
Stop, what the heck?
Hey, what the
Easy.
hell? Bro, I'm so fast. I'm like the Flash right now. Literally, dog water.
Yeah. Nobody likes the Flash. There's only one person actually likes the Flash. Let's build this bitch, okay?
What?
Build it. What? Come back
Oh
here,
yeah,
bitch.
I went the wrong way.
Fuck you going, dude?
I need to kill this stupid kid.
Stupid motherfucker.
Yeah. Give me the XP. Okay.
What? Is that special? Let me get them. Stupid hole. We make the slopes blackstone view.
Huh? Yeah.
I think it's pretty good.
Wait, let me check his. What is going on?
Yeah, how tall is it again?
Huh?
Does it say how tall it is?
2.
Oh, 2. Okay. I'm over. Like this.
Yeah, too high.
So like this, right?
Hmm?
Like that, right? Is that what we're supposed to do?
Wait, no. No, it's 1 higher. It's 3 up. So it's like that.
Mm.
Okay.
Not use the Luna anymore. No.
Huh?
Not use Luna anymore.
Lunar?
Yeah.
Because,
Like
I
that.
don't know. Why not?
No, he's not.
Am I doing this wrong?
Oh,
Why are you building
no.
it 4 high?
You said to do up. What you did?
Yeah, this is correct.
Emily in was taken. Not found.
Funny.
Yeah. Because I said funny. Talk to you. You do not have to win. What the heck? This is like nothing. Like almost out. I'm only like twice that good. Like,
Are we doing this right?
oh, what?
Yeah, we are. What broke?
Oh, my stone pickaxe. Yeah. Crying right now.
Wow. My
You stop it. What? No, I thought it was you. What? That is you placing vlogs says missing up. I guess it's you.
huh?
Whatever. Your mama. You know when your mom goes like, Among Us. And you're like crying. Like,
What?
yeah.
Okay.
Where's the baby? You know the baby? I love the baby. Let's go.
Any askers?
Come on. Do you not love the baby? Hello? Dude, I'm getting arrested.
You don't even listen to his music.
No, I love the baby. It's me, the baby. Yeah, yeah. What do you mean by that? Huh? What if I do listen to it? Pretty
Huh?
offensive. What if I do listen to it? It's pretty offensive.
Well, I know you don't because you don't. I don't
Let's
know.
go. Here.
Yay! Now we have this big black box in the middle of our field. Get away. What happened to my water?
Oh, dude.
Okay.
What? Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Bro, again.
Yo, bitches are back. Bitches are back. The bitches are back.
Okay, we finished it. What do we do now? Let me check. Oh my gosh, these guys are so annoying. Bruh, are you kidding me? Man's just... Bro, are you kidding me? We did it wrong. Mans was scamming us. It didn't... we did it wrong.
Fuck you. I slept! What are you talking about? Get away, bitch. You serious?
Okay, so basically,
we
Aiden,
do wrong?
you're supposed to do it like this. So, the tallest one I think is supposed to be, this one is supposed to be 8 by 16.
You sure?
Yeah. Wait here, let me send you a screenshot.
No. Oh yeah, dude, all I'm gonna do is extend this wall. It's like nothing's wrong.
Yeah, but did you see the image that I sent you?
Don't care. Oh my god, see, there's so much shit here. So much shit here. There's a bitch inside here. There's a bitch inside here. Help, help, help. There's bitches inside here. We're pulling the trigger. Who's that? Wait, what? Why the water not flowing down? So? Why the water not
Okay,
flowing?
I'm pretty sure at
It
the
goes
end.
down. Yeah, why the water not flowing down? Yeah.
What do you
Why the
mean?
water not going down?
Oh,
Not going down.
I don't
It
know.
not go down. You need to kill this guy too. I recommend you kill these bitches first. Let's just do that. Let's just do that.
Oh my
What the
god.
fuck, dude? What? I'm so confused. Why is it missing the...
I think we need to do another one down. Whatever, we don't have to listen to his directions. We could just do it our own. Oops. Okay, at the end, we were supposed to make a trapdoor.
Where's the baby?
Trapdoor right here. Oops.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where's the baby? Let's go.
Yeah, but Aiden, literally, the water doesn't even flow here, so what's the point of having trapdoors?
Shut the fuck up, ho. Host be like, where's the baby? Where is he?
I think we're supposed to make it one more this way, too.
Go away, go away, go away. That bitch. It go down. It go down. It go down. It go down.
Wait, here, let me test it out. Let me become the mob.
Okay. Where's the baby?
Hey, why'd you do that? I was
Where's
testing
the
it out. Do it again.
Where's the baby?
I'm one of the mob. Yeah, I just stop here. So I think we're supposed
Yeah.
to. Oh wait, never
Good.
mind. Never mind. Yeah, we're good. We're
Let's
good. We're
put
good.
one water right here. Put one water right here.
Water? Why?
Yeah. So it goes like that. Oh wait, no wait. Put another water
No,
here
we're
and then
supposed
one
to.
more.
No. This is what he did. This is what he did. He just made this one down, and then this is where the killing area was. Like this whole row is the killing area. Didn't you not watch the TikTok?
No. Where's the baby? Stop! No! 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 Don't split me! Don't split me!
Huh?
Don't split me!
Any askers?
I'm sorry.
Okay, and then this should be a 2 block drop. So they drop 2 blocks down. Or no, it's 3 blocks, sorry.
3 blocks.
Yeah, it's 3 block. 3 block fall.
Where's the baby? Where's the baby? I can't find.
Okay,
Fuck.
and then this is the killing area. Right here.
How about the creepers and stuff? Won't they blow up?
No, apparently
Never mind,
not.
they're in the water. It doesn't matter.
Wait, there should be like one here, right here. Oh wait, let's make this out of and then you're supposed to put slabs on top of it.
Fuck. Where's the baby? Let's go. Okay.
And then what are you doing? Oh, okay. Then we're supposed to make the roof like that.
Wait, won't the creepers blow up?
No, apparently not.
Sure.
Yeah.
There should be in water at least, right? Should we put like water?
I don't know. Okay, and then to turn off and on the water, it's supposed to be like that. So,
Oh yeah, we should have hoppers. Like a hopper or a hopper mine.
yeah. Okay, so like right here, there should be a redstone torch. Oops. What the? What the hell? Give me up. It's not funny.
No.
Oops.
Go. Okay.